Yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. I can still go out to eat though without brushing my teeth. I'm just gonna whisper when I order. Yeah, I'm just gonna whisper. Should I go out to eat, y'all? Let me tell. And you better be doing that laundry in the bathrooms. So I take a picture from this angle on ChatGPT. I go to ChatGPT. And then I take a picture of the room. Let me turn the light on. I try and get the whole... And then I go to the other picture. So y'all see something y'all got no business seeing. Then I say, put the second picture inspo into the first picture, but keep bed and beanbag chair in the same place in first photo and nightstand. Damn, you text fast. Y'all all should text like that. Y'all ain't take texting lessons. No, I'm not turning to be like the picture. Obviously, I had like that and there wasn't enough space for my daughter to play. She's 5 years old. She needs open space to play with her toys, not no big ass bed in the middle of the room. Yes, keyboard lessons. Sometimes it be bullshit. It better be right or I'm gonna get this. Okay. Not bad. Oh. Okay, so looks good. We gonna get that under that. And then get everything else how to picturize it. Give her enough space to play and beautiful. And the picture today, no, I ain't got a hammer. Now we gotta do the same with my son since we got different since we got the different things. So let me take a picture. Let me get this bag. Thinking a bag is a dresser or some shit. And then we go get my son's inspo pic. Now do the same thing with this room. Keep PC desk and nightstands, and instead put a LED twin bed and ain't nothing in my camera roll. I ain't tripping. That don't look like a twin. Do that look like a? I mean, do that look like a four? Well, it might not be able to fit. Yeah, that look like a twin bed. Yeah, I think it's fit. If not, I still got space over here. I could literally move that little space. That might make a big difference, and then move that more. Because it's a big space. And the full it ain't no queen, but it's a full. Okay. Bunk beds. Why put my kid share a room? We ain't doing none of that, but. Okay, now let's find some kid inspo for the bathroom. We ain't doing no sharing, baby. They get their own rooms in here. Okay. Now let's do bathroom. Give me some. This one for the kids. Bathroom. Create picture. Send action. Oh, I thought I was going to have to correct it again. This is not kid friendly. What about this gives kid? What about this gives kid? Okay, send a kid friendly inspo. Idiot. I literally just said kid inspo. But that bathroom is cute, shit. That is cute. I might do my bathroom like this. We gonna see. That is cute. That is cute. My damn arm hurt. I can get into this, but my kids is like, this for like babies. The hell is this? Kid bath toys? My kids take showers. What's this say? We'll figure it out. Actually, at the old house, we got Mumi's mermaid theme in the bathroom, so it's Meek's turn. It's Meek's turn. We ain't doing BB though. Thing. He be in my room anyway. He gonna wait till he got one. All right, let's see what I can do for my bathroom. So I wanted to match my aesthetic of my room, which is cream and beige and like really clean girl naturalistic. So let's see what we can do. What should be about just babe.